From Pajamas to Paychecks. How to earn big with online writing jobs. In this YouTube chapter, we will explore the exciting world of online writing jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home. With the rise of the internet and digital platforms, there has been a surge in demand for talented writers who can create engaging content. Whether you are passionate about blogging, article writing, or copywriting, there is a plethora of opportunities waiting for you. One popular option in online writing jobs is becoming a freelance writer. Many companies and individuals are constantly looking for skilled writers to produce high-quality content for their websites or blogs. As a freelance writer, you have the flexibility to choose your own projects and work at your own pace. This means that you can easily fit your writing gigs around other commitments or hobbies. Additionally, freelancing allows you to expand your skills by exploring various topics and writing styles. Another avenue in online writing jobs is content creation for social media platforms. Take a 1-minute quiz and subscribe to our mailing list for updates and exclusives via the link in the description.